Okay, 4K 60 FPS. This is both using this ultra wide angle lens. Alright, so this is like 2 times. It looks like OPPO shakes a lot. But you probably want to use the 2 times, right? 动起来，动起来！
小姑娘跑啥？小姑娘跑啥去
？Alright, both are 4K 60 FPS. The left is OPPO and the right is Galaxy S23 Ultra. So both looks steady. Looks steady. The sky. From the screen, it seems like OPPO has a more true to life color, you know. Well, for the Galaxy, seems a little bit, I don't know. It's like a kind of this blue tone. We're having a party here. All right, front camera. So, judging from the screen, Galaxy just looks so dark. I don't know why. I have to check the computer. So I noticed one thing. On OPPO, you can choose like 0.8, 1 times and 2 times. But the resolution, the highest is 1080p. But for the Galaxy, it supports up to 4K 60 FPS. That's actually, yeah, I just don't know why OPPO does not support 4K. You know, because the front camera is kind of very important, right? Because now there's lots of people just use the front camera to do vlogs, to create their content, you know. So, yeah. All right. So, it's kind of windy out there. So let me know which mic is better. Lots of wind now. So this is like 1080p resolution comparison. Now I'm gonna switch to 4K for the Galaxy and compare. Okay, now 4K 30 FPS on the Galaxy, 1080p on the OPPO. Okay. Now in this horizontal mode, this landscape mode, both at 1080, 30 FPS. Samsung looks a little bit more stable. On Galaxy, it seems like over saturated for both the front camera and the rear camera. La 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 la. Okay. So seems like I don't know, so from two sides, which one is better? Just let me know. Okay, today is a great day. Okay, so this is 1080p 0.8. This is one time. Okay, a little bit closer, right? Two times. Jesus, just makes my head so huge. 4K on the Galaxy. Director's angle. So here is like when you are introducing something, they can record your selfie yourself at the same time. So it's like perfect for these vloggers, right? Okay. Alright, so this is the main lens. So you can go up like 6 times zoom. Okay. Now we're testing the main lens, so that's the 1 time, 2 time. Looks much better, right? 4 times, a little bit grainy. That's 10 times. So the main lens supports up to 10 times the zoom video. So Galaxy has a really cool feature. It's like the portrait video, though I can see the edge, like the hair seems a little got blurred, but it's really cool. It's like a DSLR, right? So this is like the normal OPPO, the normal video on OPPO, while the other one is like the portrait video on Galaxy. You can see the difference. Wow. All right, both 4K 60 FPS. Holy smoke, it seems like OPPO looks so clean while Galaxy looks so grainy. But I'm not sure if it looks the same when you view on computer. honest, I didn't expect Galaxy, you know, to be this eco-friendly. Type-C cable. Wow. It's really beautiful, to be honest. That's it. That is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Come on, please at least include a phone case or something, right?